So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to share documents with other people here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in share with others here, this is my masterpiece. A few different ways you can do it. The simplest way is to go to the top right, press on share right here. Go ahead and name it, of course. I'll just go ahead and press skip. Then once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and add people by their username, by their email address, etc. You can also go ahead and grant the access. So if you want to go ahead and change this to someone that has the link, you can go ahead and share it with by copying the link, turning this on, and just going from there. Another way you can do it as well is to go to the top left, press File, press Share, then either share with others or share or publish to the web. In this case, share with others. It'll bring it to the same screen where you can go ahead and share this with others. Press on Done, and just proceed that way with the sharing of your documents. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to share your document with others on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.